Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shehbaz Ahmed, your English teacher. The name of my channel is Enchanted Learning Palace. Unlock your English potential at the Enchanted Learning Palace where words come to life. Let's begin. Welcome. Okay, our topic of discussion is about presentation skills. It is very necessary in your life. If you want to learn something about presentation, that you should watch this video. You should definitely get some views, some points, some understanding how to present yourself, how to make your presentation more effective. You will learn a lot for your presentations for in your life. Presentation is a part of your life. It will come wherever you go in your life. If you go for your interview, you should know the techniques, the tactics, how to present the topic. So I will teach you in this lesson how you can give your presentation best. Okay, let's begin our topic. Presentation skill. Presentation skills include the set of qualities required to interact mean communicate with the audience. So it includes various things. These are given below. It includes transmission of message with clarity. Okay, when you are giving presentation on any topic, so the if you are giving some information to your audience, it should be clear. You should be clear. So if you are clear about your presentation, then you can transfer your information to your audience very well. To engage audience, for engaging audience, you can write over the whiteboard. For engaging your audience, you can use different color markers, or you can use some jolly type of language in front of audience, so they don't lose their interest in your presentation. They watch it and they listen to you very carefully. To understand and interpret listeners mindsets, first of all, you should focus on the listener's mind. What type of topic you are presenting in front of them, and what type of your listeners are, and you should present your topic according to the mindset of your listeners. It is very necessary. If you are presenting which is not matching with the minds of the listeners, so they will not take interest in your presentation and they will lose interest. As a result, you cannot convey your message, your information to your listeners. Okay, to carry oneself for presentation, you should also engage them. You can use gestures, you can use your body language. It will make your presentation more effective. Okay, importance of presentation skills makes communication effective. Okay, you should also you can also involve your audience in your presentation. You can ask questions, or you can call your audience to come over the stage and express their views about your topic which you have explained to them. Or persuasive and can change behaviors. Your presentation should be persuasive. Persuasive mean, if you say something, your audience will blindly trust over the things which you have told to them. And this is called persuasive. So your discussion, your topic which you are presenting should be persuasive for audience and can change their behavior. So if you want to change in your audience, you can change. Language is a power. It can change anything. It can make anything. Helps create innovative ideas. Okay, you can change innovative ideas. Innovative mean new ideas which is more better than the previous ones. Okay, come to our next topic. Next slides. Tips to improve presentation skills. Prepare and practice beforehand content key points. For before presenting your topic, you should make some points before explaining or before presenting it in front of the audience. And meet and greet, salam, talk to audience, try to know them. When you are going to start your presentation, first of all, greet them, say salam, talk to the audience, introduce yourself. And most audience are sympathetic. Relax and smile. You should be relaxed and smile. It will give a positive look that you are well prepared about your topic and you will explain it in a good way. Don't cover too much material precise. Okay, if you are presenting something in front of the audience, make sure it should be precise, it should not be more detailed. If you discuss in detail, the audience will lose interest. So it is, so the most important thing is that your audience should not lose their heart while listening your presentation. Okay, actively engage the audience, ask questions and participation. You can do this type of activity as I told you before. Body language, as I told before. Okay, visual aid, you can make some things over the board which will make visual aid. Visual mean visible, and aid mean help. So in this way you can explain your topic very well. Add wit and humor. This, you should add some jokes during your lecture, during your presentation. It will make your audience fresh, they will not interest. And answer question session will also be there. And make sure your dressing should be formal, it will give you more confidence. Activity presentation on different topics, you can ask to your students or your colleagues if you are going to give any topic to your audience. Okay, this is all my from my side. Thank you very much for listening me. Hope you have understood some of the techniques of presentation skills. Okay, meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.